So yeah, my computer crashed start of the first day of the semester, and
Oh,
I was able to use it a night before. The following day, it wouldn't start. So
it wouldn't start. Yeah. I'm just,
yeah, so my husband forced to buy me a new one and get the other one fixed for them to use, not my computer.
crazy thing is
So
this computer is like, the Surface is like brand new.
yeah, that's a. Do you still have the warranty on that one?
Have what?
Do you still have the warranty?
Um, so because I got it in April, no, I got it like I think or April. I can't remember. It was like like over 6 months ago. I'm sure.
Well, you still
So
have the warranty for that because it takes about a year for new stuff.
well, that's true. Well, I got it through. I'm sure Best Buy because I got it at Best Buy. I'm sure they.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I I texted brother Palfrey man
Uh-huh.
and
Yeah.
and I was like, hey, can you extend the date till tomorrow? Like my computer, like it won't start. I have another one and I have a MacBook Pro.
Uh-huh.
And like that's my main one. But I don't
Uh-huh.
have like um yeah, I don't do anything in that in with that one for this class. And then he asked me, I don't know, maybe I'm reading this in the wrong way, but he asked me, he's
Uh-huh.
like, if you have another computer, then why are you not using it now to complete the assignment?
Did you tell him that your file is on that one?
No, I didn't even reply. I was like, okay. I'm like, well, my file is in this one, and this one, like the other one, it's a MacBook Pro, and it's not really compatible with like.
The Excel, yeah.
So I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Yeah. Can you see my screen? Hold on. Can you see my screen at all?
Yes, I see it. I see it. Wow, that looks so good.
So so this is the data. So they asked you
Mm-hmm.
to did I start recording? Yes,
Heather,
I
can you
am
go
recording.
to for the difference, the
Yeah,
amounts
I
of
get
that?
the yeah. So here's the difference I calculated in here. And then because it will be asking the actual total and the actual forecast, not the difference. So I calculated that also. And so this is the difference.
Yeah. Okay.
So I used the VLOOKUP to pull this information from this one. So if this changed, then this will change too.
Oh, okay.
And then remember the I think it's the conditional formatting.
Yeah, where it
Yes.
highlights the one that's less
Uh-huh.
than already.
Yeah. So these are the conditional formatting to use for this one.
Mm-hmm.
This one I got stuck in here because I just like, what should I put in here? The total? Or so I had to ask our instructor, and so he said that it's the total. And so what I did is I used this one, right? Because if I don't do that, let's see. I uncheck that, see what happened. See, it's covering this, so it
Mm-hmm.
doesn't look good. So I just check it for the secondary axis, and you can read the month. And this is it. You can tell it's self-explanatory because it has negatives on this side.
Yeah.
Yeah, and so this data are from this to here and this.
Mm-hmm.
So And I use this one to title for the title of the this. So
Okay, you
see if
did.
I click on this one.
Uh-huh. Which
So
I
it's
thought was
pulling
so
up.
cool. I didn't know you could do that. Like
Mm-hmm.
the video where you could, I didn't know that you could,
Do a lot of
like
things.
highlight, like, yeah, I didn't know that for the titles that you could actually do like a cell reference. It was so cool. I was like, what?
Yeah, I know. Even within the name of the data or the data, you can click and add and edit and remove. I was just like, oh my gosh, this is so cool. Now I'm a little bit more confident doing all the Excel stuff, and
Yeah, yeah, I love like everything that I'm learning in this class. It's so like,
yeah.
and and I've been like able to use it at work. So I'm like, wow. It was
Yeah,
really
there's
cool.
no work for me to do the application for now, but it is a very good reference. So
Well, I know you will. So I was there too.
yeah.
I was like, ah. And like at the start of my of school, I remember when I first started, I was like, I'm just working in fast food and I'm going to school and I don't
Uh-huh.
even know. But
Yeah.
now it's
So
like
on the
what's that?
yeah, on this one, it's you need to have, did I create another file on that one? I think it's just the total. Oh yeah, I
Okay.
did. The actual they're asking for the actual only, which is this one. The actual per project, but it's the total, not the monthly, the whole year. So that's what I put in there. And you can select it asks for the percentage, not the amount. Yeah. Interesting. And I'm working on project 11 already, so
Okay. And what about the exam? When is the, because I don't want to screw it up like I did last time, because I saw that he wrote in that we should get started in the exam. Is that due this Sat?
no, it's due next week, but it's a lot. I look at it already.
Uh-huh.
It's a lot of information that you need to really get ahead of it. That's why I just like, I better start my project number 11 and then finish that and then do on my, work on the exam.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
In there that you really need to, if exam number, a lot of information, this one has more to work on.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So yeah, but I'm hang up on project 11 trying to do the embedded if to pull all the information into that one column. But anyways, this is our thing. We'll wait for a few more until like 7:30 and see if
Yeah, did Scott, did he message back? Do we know if he's gonna meet us?
well, I'm not sure because he said earlier that he got called in for earlier for work, so he might not be able to join us. So
Oh, that was him, the one that was like, I was called in to
uh-huh.
work early, so I mean, I'm able to.
And I noticed that Doyle did not respond to my reminder earlier, so I texted him just a few minutes before we started, and he said that he's home teaching.
Did it?
So
Yeah, I didn't see. Well, let me see. I have a message here right now. Okay, that was from you. Oh, okay. No, I didn't see a message from you. He must have sent it to you. Okay.
So anyways, I got so many windows open here. I get three meetings on Wednesday. One is my accounting, this one, and my math later. So
Wow. How many classes are you taking?
I'm taking 4.
4? Wow.
And that's why I spaced out on Saturday because it's not our regular meeting. And I was catching up on all the other assignments that I got behind because of the internet issue I have. And then
yeah,
actually like when after we rescheduled it, I have a meeting and it kicked me out. And I just like, oh, I have no way. That's why I texted you. And then I have a glitch again yesterday. I was meeting with the same group. Got cut out again. I just like, you got to be kidding me.
Yeah, the group is probably like sure. No, just kidding.
Yeah, and it's just like, no, they just replaced the thing. And so my husband is on the phone with them, and just like my wife is doing her class and got kicked out again.
Yeah.
And I was just like, seriously? And they said, oh, just try to go into your router and reprogram it and all this kind of thing. So far it's working right now. And hopefully when I meet with them later, it will not kick me out.
It won't happen again.
Yeah. And it happens it just like, like last semester, it's other things going on. It's my computer that's my issue. Now it's my internet. I just like, gotta be kidding me. I think somebody doesn't want me to finish my schooling.
Oh no.
So anyways, do you have any question on this one? Are you there?
Here, yeah.
Okay. Do you have any question on this one?
No, it's like it's pretty simple. It's like from what the video showed, for this one. So I think I got it down. I just gotta find a way. I'm just gonna try it on my MacBook, and hopefully he accepts that. And
well, yeah, try to log into your email and then download or access the thing. But I don't know if you can download the information to your MacBook via Excel.
I think I can.
And see if hopefully it works the way the other desktop work. So
yeah, I hope so. And hopefully the Surface I can maybe I don't know, maybe just it froze for and it needs some time. It needs some time alone, and then
is that like a tablet type thing?
Yeah, so it's a Surface Pro, the one that's like a tablet that has the detachable keyboard. It's one of those. So it's not like it is like a laptop, but it's not.
But you can detach the keyboard.
Yeah, so it's like 100% like a laptop. So I don't know.
Yeah, you should take it back to Best Buy and have them take a look at it.
Yeah, I might just have to do that. I actually tried to return it, like I think at the start of the semester. Maybe I tried to return it to them, be like, hey, I don't really want this anymore. I want to get like an actual laptop. And they're like, sorry, we're not accepting those anymore. We accept the other Surface, but not the kind you have. So I don't know if there's something wrong with them.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's just like, wait a minute, I just bought it.
Yeah. So annoying. Well,
yeah, it's that's why I decided to get a regular laptop after my other laptop crashed, because it's more dependable, and Costco has a good price. When I purchased this, they just like about $400. So
that's such a good deal.
Or no, 400, 500. But it's less than
that's still better than this one.
Yeah, the capacity, it's a iCore, the i5 7th generation, and it's a touchscreen.
Oh, that's nice.
And it has a good memory and stuff, so it's good for the quality. Is good.
Really
for the
good.
price.
I know Costco has good stuff, so I'm pretty sure that.
Yeah. And then when I bought this, they have extended warranty through if you have the credit card through Citibank, Costco credit card through Citibank, and so I have 4 years warranty.
Really?
Yes, 2 years from Costco, and then 2 years after 2 years, then the other Citibank kicks in. So
Oh, that's so cool.
that's why I'm saving my receipt and stuff. So yeah.
Well, that's good to know. I think next time I might just get one there, and I don't know what to do. I even try. You know, it's so funny. I tried selling it on eBay, and I got an offer.
Uh-huh.
I got a couple actually, but I was just like, I don't have time to ship this out and then get a new one, and I'm already in the middle of like I
The
already
class.
started the semester. I want to deal with all that stuff.
Yeah. It's not easy when your computer crashed. Then my computer crashed several times the last 2 semester.
Yeah, and
Last
were the
semester.
teachers like pretty understanding?
Mm-hmm. And it happens all the time before the finals. I just like, you got to be kidding me. So I told my husband, I need a new one, and this new one I'm gonna be doing only school stuff, and you guys can't use it for any surfing and anything. So I got the other one for them to work on it, because they like to go Google search on my son likes World War II stuff. And so I just like, okay, well, why don't you guys you can use that, not my computer. So
Yeah,
so I
maybe
said,
that's
you guys keep going on the different website that I don't trust, and you don't know if it's getting some viruses and stuff. So
yeah, that's true. They cause a lot of like issues and stuff.
yeah. So yeah, it looks like Scott will not gonna be making it, and so but I texted them.
Yeah, thank you for doing that. I know I'm so sorry that I didn't text you. I didn't, it didn't cross my mind because I was sending the messages through the Hangouts. So I was like, oh, I'm sure she'll see it. She'll hop right in.
And I was so busy doing my homework, and I spaced out. And I spaced out since I didn't attend the meeting. I usually, after the meeting, I submit the project and then put the link of the meeting there. And I just like 11 o'clock in the evening, Saturday, I just like, oh, I forgot something. And my husband just like, what? Oh gosh, I'll be 10% off of this late submission.
Oh no, I'm sorry. Yeah, I just didn't even.
No, it's okay. Yeah,
okay.
It's okay. And I spaced out because I have a lot of things that do the same night because I got backlog. I usually get it done earlier today and all that, or a day before. But I got behind because of the full day no internet and trying to wait for that guy to come out and all that kind of thing. I just like, okay. It's my fault. I didn't set an alarm for a reminder for myself. I usually have a reminder of all my meetings and stuff. So
yeah, well now I remember. I'm like, okay, text the group chat.
Yeah. So I actually reminded my other group for later at 8 o'clock meeting. So I said, hey, meeting tonight.
You're
That's
so
the
good.
math one. The statistics. Well, because it's our group, and we have a group project, I think, on this one, isn't it? Towards the end.
Which one?
In this class, we're having a group project, if I'm not mistaken.
Are you breaking up?
We have a group project for this one, I think towards the end of the semester.
I haven't checked that far. Honestly, I printed out the sheet and then day by day. I shouldn't. I probably should look more ahead, but
yeah. No, I think it was mentioned toward the earlier part of our semester. And so we're going to be working with our group too. So yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I have 2 projects in my other class, accounting one. I also have a project. So, but that's going to be easier because it's all QuickBook thing. Oops. So, well, a few more minutes. Let's go. We'll probably get this until 8:30. Oh, 7:30.
Yeah, we can. Yeah, ready and just yeah, be done.
Yeah. So I have to go look at the
Can you
other
go to
video.
your dashboard? Oh.
You got cut out.
Hello?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, no, I was gonna say, can you actually go to your summary dashboard?
Yeah, that's the summary dashboard
Oh, sorry, the data.
there.
Okay, so I did that stuff. Yeah, I did the difference. I'm doing the difference. I didn't add up the totals, but I can do that real fast.
And then you have to have that actual total of the actual R&D expense per project.
Oh, I see.
I did it this way because it's easier for me to pull the data
Mm-hmm.
than if it's all scattered.
Yeah, it's like harder.
I have to watch different, the previous videos from different previous week and just like, oh, that's how it goes. Okay. Sometimes I use the other computer. I have that playing next to me while I'm following along, and because I
do that too. I use my so I use my other computer to play the videos and to do all that, and then I actually use like the Surface to do the actual file on it.
Yeah, because sometimes if you do the split thing here and it's a small screen, I just like I can't see. So yeah.
It's kind of hard to to do just because the screens are so small. I can't do it. I just grab my other computer.
And my son will complain, "Mommy is hacking all the computer." I said, "You don't need to be on a computer anyway."
That's funny.
Yeah. He's trying to excuse himself to get on the computer, but he's only allowed to do his homework and project because I removed 2 weeks of his computer game thing.
Oh, did he get in trouble?
Well, yeah. 10 years old, they think they know everything, and then they will talk back to you sometimes, just like, that doesn't work for me.
Good. I feel you gotta set your foot down, be like, nope.
And then he cried and just like, I can't get into the computer at all. I just like, it's your choice, honey. It's your choice. And then I think oh no, sometimes I get, if I want it, I just like, sometimes I just want to spank him, but I just can't. Controlling myself not to spank.
Do you only have one son?
Yeah. But we tried to we fostered 3 children the last semester for 9 months, 2 semester last semester and the previous semester.
Okay.
Hoping that we can adapt them, but it's a lot. They're younger kids, but they're already been damaged by the situation and also drugs and alcohol. The mother continuously to use drugs and alcohol while pregnant with each children. So, and it's sad that 3 children get taken away from them. And little ones, but man, it's not easy. You can't sleep through the night worrying if the other one's gonna set the house on fire. I just like, I can't put my son to this kind of thing.
Like emotionally.
It's physically and emotionally draining.
Yeah.
And we've done a lot of their speech have improved since we got them. you know, speech therapy and special ed teacher.
Mm-hmm.
And my husband said, I can't handle teaching all day special ed and then come home with 3 more. And I said, no, no. We're trying to
That's a
put
lot.
together a family, not to break apart the family. So it's a tough decision.
Yeah, yes.
You have to think of the existing family. What, you know, you don't want to break it apart. So
Yeah, that's the thing. Just keeping them, you know, together and
yeah, it's not easy. But the you know, the other one, or the older one, constantly wanting, let's cook David, my son, my son. I just like, hey, we don't say that.
really, oh
That's
wow.
nice. Yeah, constantly doing saying some killing kind of type thing. And then the 3.5 years old just started saying, the bird sitting here doing nothing to them. I want Nikki, you know, we're babysitting, bird sitting my husband's co-teacher's bird. Let's cook. I want Nikki dead in a box. I just like, no. And the bird is not hurting you or doing anything. Why do you want to hurt the bird? And it's constant like that with the 2 girls, and then constantly trying to get attention, even you give him attention, into the sense that he'll hurt himself. He'll make himself sick.
Really?
Everything that he can think of, he wants to break. And he broke my sprinkler system. And I think he's the one that, because my kitchen faucet is working just fine the night before, and the following day, just like, what happened to this? It completely came off loose of the base.
Wow.
And poking holes on our wall, and soon I'm start fearing that he might start the stove or the oven. And
Yeah, and do
so,
more things that are gonna be so dangerous and just
yeah,
never
because one
know.
time I came out and I just like, and who's been in the kitchen? And you know, nobody's been in the kitchen because I'm the first one to wake up. But I didn't realize that middle of the night.
Really? In the middle of the night?
Because one time, like even 4 o'clock, one time I woke up and I just like, I saw him looking through my door, the crack on the, you know, the door, because I leave my bedroom door partially open because of our cat goes in and out, and he's looking through the hinges. There's a crack there, you know, it's partially open, and he's looking through, and I just can see because I have a hallway night light, and I can see somebody standing but right on the other side, and just like, I watch and watch and didn't move, trying to see what he's gonna do.
Uh-huh.
And when he realized that I am awake, he went back straight, quietly trying to walk quietly because we have the squeaky floor right there, and he's so light and he can't put the floor squeak to squeak.
Oh, but that's
That's creepy.
unsettling.
Mm-hmm. That's creepy. And I just like, okay, I know that he wakes up earlier than the rest of the kids, but I didn't know that he gets up this early.
Yeah.
And so now I put everything to bed, just like, I woke out there and he's pretending to be dead asleep in his room, but he's been out already, out and about, destroying everything he can destroy.
Wow.
So I just like, no, since then I couldn't sleep through the night because I just like, there's one kid that always walk around in the middle of the night.
Yeah, how can you sleep?
And lying and stealing. And at 5 years old, he lies, and even you caught him, he still lied in front of you and steal things at school and try to take things out of my son's drawer that doesn't belong to him. And I just like, no, honey, we talk about that and we read the Book of Mormon and all that kind of thing. Forget it.
Yeah.
Yeah, those kids
like
are.
I can't imagine the kind of like had before where that was what they learned and that was okay, like.
No, I think they tried to, but because they were little and and then they told us that, hey, there's nothing wrong, but learning delays because of neglect and all that. They're also attached. Each one of them have attachment disorder. They all exhibit the 4 different kinds of attachment disorder. They're so nice to us the first few weeks, months, and as they goes deeper into more months, and they refuse to do whatever you ask them to do, and they defy you because you give them consequence because of their behavior, bad behavior. And I said, we told you the first first day that we have rules in this house, and they constantly hurting my cats.
Oh, that's like, isn't that like some sort of sign of like
this? Yeah, emotional disturbance.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
They have more, and then we found out that the little boy is hearing voices, because we're the first one that sat down with him and asked him, why are you doing this kind of thing? Why are you breaking things? And when we told the social worker, they said, oh, we didn't know about that. I just like, we're letting you know, because we didn't know either until we sat down. We're the only one probably that sat down and talked to him and tried to understand why. And but for them to withheld information that this little boy is breaking stuff, and they're aware of it, it's breaks things apart, or no, it's just taking things apart, not breaking. It's the same thing. Deliberately breaking things. I mean, playing with toys and it just break because you're kind of a little too hard, but purposely breaking every toys we got them. Play with his sister's toys. I just like, nope, you broke yours. You can't play with theirs.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, and they withheld that information. And when we had the meeting, we told them, you guys didn't tell us this. So
basically, right? You didn't say the truth about what's happening. Wow.
Oh, yeah, social worker, they just wanted these kids to get adopted, but not helping the kids.
Yeah, maybe they just wanted to like get rid of them per se, like, okay, now with the family, let's move on to the next.
But the thing is, it's not helping the prospective adopted family. The decision might have been changed, or maybe it's different to prepare your mind if you're fully aware of what's going on with the children.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So yeah. Yeah.
Okay, Marie, I am gonna this and
yes, finish that one, and just send me a message if you have any other question, and I'll send the link so we can put this on our submission.
Perfect.
So, well, you have a great evening, okay?
Oh, have a good night, and I'm sure we'll meet. We're meeting again Saturday, right? Yes.
Friday or Saturday, depending on what the other two can agree
just
on.
Whatever. I'm good whichever. Actually, I might be better off Friday than Saturday.
Yeah, because I think Saturday we're cleaning the camp, the LDS camp that our stake is part of, and so we're cleaning that on Saturday morning, and so that will take up my other time to finish up other things. So
I think Friday would be better for me too, because I know Saturday I have a date night.
Yeah.
Do a lot of stuff like on Saturday, so I can have that time. So
yeah, you need some personal time too. So anyways, we'll send a message. I'll send a message and find out which one will work for the two guys.
All right, perfect. Sounds good. We'll keep in touch then.
Well, okay, have a good night.
Take care.